Gridlock avoided. Ohio lawmakers react after the Senate turns down that so-called nuclear option. Thank you for joining us tonight at 5:30. I'm Tracy Townsend.
And I'm Kurt Ludlow. That so-called nuclear option, a partisan showdown that could have resulted in even more political gridlock. Tonight, Ohio lawmakers may have plenty to say about that vote. 10 TV's Jim Heath is live in the newsroom tonight with some of their reaction. Hey, Jim.
Well, Kurt, Tracy, senators looked into the abyss, and enough of them didn't like what they saw, and then they backed off what they call this nuclear option. And that is especially good news for Columbus's own Richard Cordray. The U.S. Senate avoided nuclear meltdown Tuesday, and that paved the way for longtime Central Ohio resident Richard Cordray to head the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau.
I express my appreciation to everyone for the strong vote that this good man got.
Cordray was one of 7 Obama picks for executive jobs who've been waiting from 3 months to 2 years for confirmation. Republican Senator Rob Portman told 10 TV, Rich Cordray's confirmation is good for the agency and those they regulate. Will continue to promote reforms, but the nuclear option threat changed the dynamics. Majority Leader Harry Reid had threatened to change the Senate rules so that those nominees can win confirmation with a simple 51-vote majority instead of having to get the 60 votes needed to overcome a filibuster.
Yeah, this is huge for Ohio, and especially Central Ohio, because Rich is from Ohio.
Columbus attorney David Leland has known Cordray for years. He says leading the consumer agency is a perfect fit.
And he's been protecting people against credit card fraud. He's been protecting students against student loan fraud. There's a lot of consumer protection that he's been engaging in this position.
Ohio's Democratic Senator Sherrod Brown said, today is a great day for Rich and his family and the Bureau, but we must remain vigilant and ensure that Wall Street and its allies in Congress never undermine the authority and effectiveness of this vital agency. Republican Senator John McCain worked behind the scenes to help lawmakers forge a deal to avoid the nuclear option that may have repercussions for years to come.
I thank all of my colleagues for an evening that I thought was very important in our relations in the United States Senate.
Cordray's confirmation will be official tomorrow. Republicans said all along that they liked him. They just don't like the agency that he represents. Kurt?
All right, Jim. Hey, along that line, though, Senator Portman has already introduced some legislation to change the agency, huh?
Yeah, he doesn't like the idea of a single director heading that national consumer agency. His bill would create an independent inspector general. The White House has not yet commented on that idea, but it's unlikely to be approved anytime soon. Live in the newsroom, Jim Heath, 10 TV News.